Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Make sure Windows 7 SB1 is installed and you know whether your OS is 32 or 64-bit because downloads differ. Next, back up Internet Explorer favorites and create a restore point so you can undo changes if needed. Once done, close other programs and connect to a stable network to prevent interruptions. Then open Control Panel and choose Windows Update to look for important updates. This starts the genuine, secure path to upgrading Internet Explorer. Once Windows Update lists Internet Explorer or its cumulative update, select it and any required prerequisite updates. These often include security patches and platform updates. If the update isn't shown, visit the Microsoft Update Catalog to download the exact KB for your Windows 7 architecture, then run the installer as administrator. Follow on-screen prompts, accept the license, and let the installer apply files. This step may take several minutes and may reboot the system automatically to finish applying changes. After installation, restart your computer to complete setup and apply system changes. Once you log back in, open Internet Explorer and check Help, then About Internet Explorer to verify the new version and ensure security updates are active. Make sure add-ons work and reset browser settings if layout or functionality seems off. If pages fail to load or IE crashes, run command prompt as administrator and execute sfc/scano to repair corrupted system files. This often resolves installation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.